Does domain extension after SEO? Does your domain extension after SEO? Google's Johan Mueller answer a series of questions related to the SEO impact of domains. Google search advocate Jones Mueller answers whether your domain extension affects SEO and other questions related to the search impact of domain choices. These questions are answered in the latest installment of the Ask Google Bot video series on YouTube. Mueller addresses questions related to the how.com compares to the other domain extensions, GTLDS versus CCTLDS, www versus non-www, and more. R.com domain better? The first question is one of the most common, especially among people registered our domain for the first time. R.com domain better than others? The person who submitted the question also asked if it acceptable to use a newer extension like a space domain. Mueller say sure, go for it. The newer top level domain are equivalent to other generic top level domain like .com when it comes to SEO pick. Something you like, there are a lot of options out there now. www or non-www domain. Mueller say you can use whichever you prefer. Google system have no preference either way. Sometimes there are technical reasons to go one way and the other, but often it's just a matter of your personal preference. REL canonical on different domain types. Is it possible to use the REL is equal to canonical link element across different TLDS such as GTLDS and CCTLDS? Mueller says yes, you can do this. The REL and is equal to canonical link element is not limited to the same domain name. Country specific domain extension for global website. Mueller said the answer is yes. While the country code domain name help our system to geo-target for the country, it still allow for global visibility. The only limitation is that you cannot specify other countries for geo-targeting. For example, if you have a .fr website for France, you could use that globally, but you would not be able to explicitly geo-target user in Brazil.